So hello friends, myself Om and you are watching the YouTube channel Technical Om. Today I will tell you the specifications of Redmi Note 10.
If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel to get the notification of the future videos.
The specifications of Redmi Note 10 are MediaTek Dimensity 800U, 6.5 inches Full HD Plus display, 48 megapixel rear camera, 13 megapixel front camera, 5000 mAh battery, 18 watt fast charging, MIUI 12 based on Android 10. This is some more information about the front and rear camera of Redmi Note 10. There are two color variants of Redmi Note 10, blue color and black color. There are three storage variants of Redmi Note 10, 4GB plus 64GB, 4GB plus 128GB and 6GB plus 128GB. This is the front side of Redmi Note 10. This is the back side of Redmi Note 10. The expected launch date of Redmi Note 10 will be in the first or second week of February. In my opinion, the expected price of Redmi Note 10 should be below 13,000. This is the end of today's video. If you like the video, please click on the like button. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel. If you have any doubt regarding this, do comment down below. Thank you for watching.